everyone! So today I'm going to be sharing with you this Operation Christmas Child Shoebox for a boy aged 2 to 4. So if you hear any noise, a weird roaring noise in the background, the military jets are practicing above the house. So yeah, that's all that's happening. It's nothing to worry about. Okay, let's just get on in and get started. Okay. The wow gift in this box is this cute penguin. Cute penguin. It's so soft too. So he's gonna get a penguin, and I'm really excited because this penguin is going to go like around the world, and it's gonna learn like a different language and have adventures and be someone's cuddly buddy. So he gets a penguin, a very nice penguin. He gets this cute little foam soccer ball. I thought it was really, really cute. I love to play ball when I was a little kid. So, soccer ball. Then I have this little inner tube. I mean, even if you don't swim, these are just fun to play with, you know? So, this really cute sea life inner tube. He gets a little pair of shorts. Look how cute these little shorts are. I found them at like Walmart for just $1. So, a pair of little guy shorts. For hygiene, he's going to get a washcloth and a bar of soap, a toddler-sized toothbrush, and a comb. And in here there are just some Band-Aids because I think those are important. Then he's going to get some Chubby Crayons and a dinosaur coloring book. I just thought this was really, really cute. I was so happy when I picked out this dinosaur coloring book. I hope he enjoys it just as much. He also gets this sticker set, and like these are actual like peel back stickers, and there's some little markers that go in there. So I thought this was cute. Then we have owl stickers, we have star stickers. This is a little note that I wrote. And the last thing I included in this box is 2 pencils. As I said before, I'm just kind of like curious to see what other people, what do you pack for school supplies 2 to 4? I know that, you know, if you're 4 years old, you're probably already in school, or you will be very, very shortly. But if this box was to go to a 2-year-old, I would never want to give a child, a toddler, something that they could hurt themselves with, like a pencil sharpener or scissors. And like, what if you give them a big pink eraser? Are they just gonna eat it? I don't know. So next year I do want to try and put together age-appropriate school supplies for boxes 2 to 4, but I would like to know your suggestions and what you do. So this is everything for my boys 2 to 4 shoebox. Be sure and give this video a like and subscribe. Click the notification bell to not miss any of my annual shoebox videos. And as with everything else, I will leave the total in the description box of US dollar, Canadian, British, and Australian. So be sure and check that out if you're interested. So that is it for this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!